Choosing a university is a difficult process aside from the short-term factors that you need to take into account, such as the reputation of the faculty, the quality of the course, and the location of the campus. There are also the long game to consider. After all, where you decide to study after leaving school can end up having a significant impact on your career prospects. Therefore, it's important to do your research. Uni and college tables can often give you a clear indication of which institutions are the best. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. University of Oxford. As the oldest university in the English-speaking world, there is evidence of teaching as far back as the 11th century. The University of Oxford boasts a history and influence in the UK that is quite remarkable. This includes 71 Nobel Prizes, 160 Olympic medals, and 6 Turing Awards, while 27 British Prime Ministers as well as numerous international heads of state have received their education there. Split into 38 member colleges, each of which maintains its own unique traditions and culture. Oxford is known for its small teaching groups and tutorial style of learning. It also features several prominent clubs and societies, including the Oxford Union, which regularly features world-famous speakers, and the notorious Bligden Club, a society similar in structure and influence to the Skull and Bones at the US Yale University. In addition, the university also boasts the world's largest university press as well as the world's oldest university museum. Number 4. California Institute of Technology. Founded in 1891, the California Institute of Technology, or Caltech as it is often known, is a small but hugely influential research university, particularly within the fields of engineering and natural science. Indeed, the school currently boasts 74 Nobel laureates, while alumni have also contributed heavily to NASA missions and defense research projects. An unusually large amount of Caltech graduates also go on to earn PhD. The school shares a famous rivalry with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, while in recent years has enjoyed a boost in profile through the television sitcom The Big Bang Theory, where many of the show's main characters are fictionally employed. Number 3. Harvard University. The oldest education institution in the US, the college was founded in 1636. Harvard is a byword for academic excellence and remains one of the most influential universities in the world. Alongside 8 former US presidents, Harvard has also graduated a world record 160 Nobel laureates, 14 Turing Award winners, as well as collectively amassing 10 academic awards and 108 Olympic medals. It's also helped make a lot of people rich too, with 188 living billionaires among its alumni. It's not just its students that set Harvard apart either. While the school has pioneered numerous educational methods and processes that have been adopted or imitated by thousands of universities across the globe, its wider cultural influence has also been felt elsewhere. Number 2. Stanford University. Established in 1891, Leland Stanford Junior University, or simply Stanford as it is much more commonly known, is one of the wealthiest research universities in the world, and given its close proximity to and links with Silicon Valley, one of the most influential. To date, its alumni has amassed 83 Nobel Prizes, 28 Turing Awards, and 270 Olympic medals, as well as produced 17 astronauts and 30 living billionaires. Companies that have close links with Stanford include Google, which started life as a research project for PhD student Larry Page and Sergey Brin; Cisco, whose founders Leonard Bosack and Sandy Lerner were employed by Stanford while developing the country's hardware; and Hewlett-Packard, whose founders Bill Hewlett and David Packard met while at the university. The school has also been responsible for some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in computer science history, as well as produced important research in the natural sciences. Number 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Founded in 1861 and located just across town from Harvard, MIT is a hugely important research university that has contributed heavily to some of the most important scientific achievements of the last 100 years. Its alumni contain 97 Nobel laureates, 26 Turing Award winners, and 41 astronauts, while the university's strong entrepreneurial culture has also resulted in the formation of some of the world's best companies. Unlike many other institutions, MIT does not award honorary degrees or athletic scholarships. While students are renowned for their elaborate pranks and hacks, many of which are the result of the aforementioned rivalry with Caltech, there are also numerous clubs, societies, and traditions within the university, some of which host high-profile programming and robotics competitions. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.